What the mess? Man, when did I leave seeds in here? This is ridiculous. Now this is just getting way out of hand. I done left seeds in the microwave. Alright, I'm gonna have to do something about this. This dog just ain't gonna hunt. So do you ever have a problem keeping up with seeds like me and they're just literally all over the place? I got a hack that I think's gonna help you out. Check it out. So first off, as I get started, you know I gotta have my garden jams. So again, you wanna know what I'm playing, do me a favor. Go to my playlist and check out garden jams. Drop a comment, tell me if you like anything, if there's anything I need to add to that list, or if you like that list as it is. Check it out. So I picked up this baby right here. You go ahead and bring it in to you closer. From Hobby Lobby. It is actually a photo storage keeper. However, today I'm gonna be using it to store my seeds. So the cool thing is, you open this baby up, you got all of these storage keepers. However, today I'm gonna be using it to store my seeds. I got all these seeds here, and all I'm simply gonna do, there's 16 of these little cases in there. And they're about, like I said, 4 by 6. Initially, I have been keeping my seeds in a storage bin used for mainly hardware. So when I was an aircraft mechanic, I had all these screws and bolts and rivets, and I kept all of them in that box. So this is a much better idea, and I found this because my daughter had they bought one for my daughter for her LOL babies, and she had all the little bitty pieces of stuff everywhere, and they bought this to keep up with all her little doll pieces and whatnot. So I was like, ooh, I like that. But I couldn't take it from baby girl, so I went out and got my own. So cool thing is, like I said, I can just label each one of these. Like, for example, this one's gonna be for all my lettuces. And then what I'm gonna do is keep my lettuces in here, but then I'm also going to, because I found when I open these packs up, the seeds get everywhere. I'm just gonna get some paper clips, like so. And these paper clips are gonna hold my open package together to keep from spilling my seeds out. I already have a experimental garden that I just took every seed that fell out of my bin, that fell out in the drawer, and I literally just dumped them in this box because I didn't want to waste the seeds. But I was thinking, you know what would be a good idea? I literally just dump them in the box. Basil, actually gonna plant that later. Some more basil, Swiss chard, some more basil. As you can see, I like basil. Some more lettuce, 20-30 seeds in there. You know, yeah, it's not really as big of a deal as you thought it was. You know, versus going to like the feed store or the nursery and getting a pack for like maybe $3, but you got maybe 400 or 500 seeds in it. This one's gonna be my greens. This one's gonna be my greens right there. And my mustards and my collards in there. So I think this is a much better option what I had been storing them in, because it was just, their packets were too big and they were kind of clumping up and getting caught in the drawer. But this is a much better option. So like, let's say I want to plant some greens, I'll just grab my greens thing, and there are all my greens, mustards and collards. Also, if I want to see if I got anything, like, do I got any green seeds, I can grab it quickly. And what I'm also going to do, I'm gonna come back and label it on the top part, just poking up or facing up. That way, when they're all sitting there, I can look at and kind of quickly gauge and index it. All right, so there's my collard greens. I know I got some mustard somewhere. Oh, yes, I do. No, I don't got any mustard. Huh? Imagine that. So those are all my greens. Lettuces, So, like I said, they bought these initially made for photo storage, but man, it was an amazing idea for these for seeds. So this one's gonna be for my flowers. I think I'm out of mint, that's what it is. Oh, I just ordered, believe it or not, I just got some lemon mint that I'm excited to put in the ground. These are my microgreens. I probably give them their own container. Microgreens, its own containers. I like microgreens. I like to do those in the fall. All right, and what I'll do, I'll show you my finished product here in a second. I guess I'll put these hibiscus seeds and these green tea seeds in there with the microgreens. I'll probably over time end up having to buy another one of these, but it's cool. Wish I had a box to do like 32 of them. That would be really dope. And all the seeds that fell finna go into one container, and they're about to go into my experimental garden. Some more Swiss chard. Where did I put the Swiss chard? I think they put the Swiss chard with the spinach. No, where did I put the Swiss chard with? Can't remember. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Put the Swiss chard with the kale. Forgot just that fast. See, it's exactly why I need this. Some more herbs. Feel like I got some more seeds somewhere bouncing around the house. I gotta go track them down, which I'm pretty sure I know I do for a fact. So I just bought some. Look at there, more herbs. No, that's more herbs. Thyme. And here's my finished product. All my seeds nice and labeled. All that's left is the finishing touches. All that's left is the finishing touches. There you go. Garden don't gotta be complicated or expensive. Get out and grow something.